I've come across 2 easy do-it-yourself Play-Doh recipes. So today we're going to make both and we will compare them at the end. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Evelyn, what color of Play-Doh are you gonna make? Blue? Okay, we're gonna put 4 drops of food coloring into the water. The next do-it-yourself Play-Doh recipe that we're going to try calls for 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup salt, 3/4 cup water, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 2 packets of Kool-Aid. Now we don't have Kool-Aid, so we're going to try to use Jell-O instead. We're now going to transfer the Play-Doh. It looks more like slime at the moment. From the bowl onto the aluminum foil. We're gonna let it cool. Okay, so here they are, Play-Doh number 1 and Play-Doh number 2. So I must say the first one was a lot easier to make. Pretty much as soon as you're done you could play with it right away. But it's a little grainy. On to Play-Doh number 2. So this one did take a little bit longer to make. It needed a good 30 to 45 minutes to cool down, and then we just added flour to kind of get the consistency that we wanted. So this one is a lot more like the Play-Doh you'd buy in the store. It's more smooth, but it does take a little more patience to make. So remember, if you don't have food coloring on hand, you could also use Kool-Aid packets or Jell-O. As you saw, the first Play-Doh that we made was a lot easier to sculpt. We did have a little bit of trouble with the second one. That being said, they both work. It's just more or less your preference.
Thanks for watching. Bye!